Hi, today I want to talk to you about how you can teach yourself how to code, or rather how to teach yourself how to be a computer programmer or a software engineer. And before I talk about that, I want to very briefly talk about what exactly is computer programming. And in my own definition, I think computer programming is the skill of being able to convert whatever idea you have into a software application that can solve real world problems. So if maybe you have an idea and you like to convert it into a software that maybe you can sell to people who have problems that you like to solve, that is exactly what is computer programming. And why would you maybe consider doing computer programming, or why is it important to do computer programming today? There are a million of reasons why I think it is important to learn computer programming today, but I'm going to look at only two that I think are very important. And the first one is because you can get a job anywhere and you can work, or rather actually not you can get a job anywhere, but the first reason is because you can work from anywhere. So you do not have to get a 8 to 5 job. You can work however amount of time you want. You can work from your home. You can decide to do freelancing or other things as a software engineer. So you do not have to work in an office. The second reason that I think is very important is because the opportunities are unlimited. There are so many opportunities for software developers right now. Even when all other professionals are struggling to get employment, software development demand is going up. It is important to note that almost every industry today, be it hospitals, be it schools, be it churches, be it whatever it is, they want to automate what they do. They want to automate what they have been doing. And this is a direct requirement for more software developers. So if you are good in software engineering, software development, programming, writing code, you can definitely get a job. Those are the two reasons why I think you should start learning computer programming. So how exactly can you teach yourself how to code? Because really, if you go to a university or a college and you take a maybe computer science degree or software engineering degree or IT, that is good, but they are very expensive. And even after going through the 4 or 5 years of taking a degree in either of these disciplines, you may not come out a software engineer that the real world is looking for. So you may still need to teach yourself how to write code, basically because most of the people that teach in the universities are teachers, they are lecturers, they do not write code in day-to-day life. So I think it is important that you are taught by someone who does write code every day. That is their job. And that is why I want to tell you that the best way to teach yourself how to code is online. And I think now this video should be ended, right? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Because the problem is right there. There are a lot of resources online. When I started thinking of how to teach myself how to code, when I realized that I cannot get a job because what I had learned from the university is not what every employer was looking for. So I knew that I needed to do some extra courses. When I searched on Google, Coursera came up, Treehouse came up, oh my god, so many websites that were teaching how to code came up. And that is where the confusion started. That is where I started feeling overwhelmed. I needed to know how to write code in Python. I needed to know how to write code in PHP. I needed to know JavaScript. I needed to know almost everything. And almost everybody was offering everything. And that is exactly where the problem is. So by this, I'm not saying that you should not start learning online. That is where the solution is, because you need to teach yourself how to code and you need to go online. But now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because right now, I have put together a course that will show you exactly how you can come from zero to being a hero in software engineering. All you need is the desire and a laptop or a desktop computer, a computer basically. You do not need to have a software engineering degree. You do not need to have a big office. You do not need all those things that you hear people talk about. All you need is a computer and a desire to learn, because software engineering is engaging. You need to have that desire, that push. You need to feel, I need to know this. So you need a push. So this course I'm offering is tried and tested. I have had people who have gone through this course. I have polished it over time, and now it is out. I am giving it to students who want to learn how to code. There is a community out there. My best candidate that I think I really praise so much is more than 50 plus years. I taught them how to code. They use that course. Right now they are writing their own software. You can go to my YouTube channel. It's called Code with Karani. You can see the testimonials that are there. People are saying that they watch my YouTube tutorials, and right now there are projects that they are running with the different companies. So it is tried and tested. And again, when you join into this course, you are going to enroll yourself into a huge community of developers who are also learning with you. So this is not just something that you go into YouTube and you find and then you start struggling alone. No, if you are stuck, we are here. We are a community. If I am busy, somebody else is there. They are writing code with you. So if you are interested, this is your time, because I am going to be shutting down the doors very soon. So take that action. Go to codewithkarani.tech. Codewithkarani.tech. Check out that. Check out my Facebook page also. It's Code with Karani. Check out me on YouTube. There are a lot of free resources on YouTube. It's Code with Karani. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like buttons that are in those videos. And just like that, we're going to reach many people. My goal is to help many people become software engineers and get actual jobs, or probably start their own businesses or be freelancers. So if you're interested, if I am talking to you right now, it is time to take action. So go, do it now.